Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you Jacobian. This is a very scoring topic in JAM perspective. Just we're going to discuss some concepts and 2 or 3 problems from previous year. That will be beneficial for you and that is more than enough for getting full marks from this portion. Okay, so let's start. Today our topic is Jacobian. So mainly problems related to area element. Suppose area element dx dy or volume element like dx dy dz. This type of problems are mainly solved by Jacobian. Okay, so what is the expression of Jacobian? Suppose we need to find the Jacobian of uv. It is represented as, kindly watch the representation very carefully. Okay, so j u comma v is equal to del u del x del v del x, again del u del y del v del y. Okay, so how you can remember this? Actually I got very confused in the beginning that how can I remember this thing. There is a trick. See, when we write any determinant, we write any determinant, suppose I j k in this way, no? So this is for I, this is for j. What is actually I? The unit vector along the x-axis. So this is x, this is x. So at the bottom, that is, yeah, at the bottom you have to write x for this column. For this column you have to write only y, because this is for j, I, j, k is 2-dimensional, so we are restricted to 2 axes, is x and y. So you get my point. Just write in this way, I, j, and for k, if there we will extend to z. We are coming here. I will teach you in the next slide. Okay, so let's go to the next page. So for 3-dimensional, so this is known as the Jacobian. This is how we people write the Jacobian. Okay, so in 3-dimensional case, Jacobian of u v w is equal to what it will be. Okay, pause the video and write of your own. If you have understood this, you will be easily able to write. Okay, have you written? Okay, let's check your answer is correct or not. So what is this? This will be only x at the bottom. Here it will be y only, and here it will be z only. Okay, and these are variables, so this will change. So what I'm trying to say is del u del x, del v del x, and del w del x. Again del u del y, del v del y, del w del y, del u del z, del v del z, del w del z. Okay, this is I, this is j, this is k, if you can remember like this. Okay, so here it is x, here it is x, here it is x, y, 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 z, z, z. Are you getting my point, what I'm trying to say? Or you can remember in another way, but people might get confused. So let me say, you can remember in any way. Here the u thing will remain same. I mean, in a row, that variable will remain same, that is uvw, they will remain the same. You can remember in any way you are comfortable in. Okay. Okay, so you people need to remember some properties is that same as partial differentiation or normal differentiation, as people have studied. Let me say, that is, while we are writing ju yes, v, it is actually del uv del x comma y. Okay, that is equal to this. Nice. Again, del uv del w, this is actually equals to uvw del x comma y comma z. Okay, and this is equal to this determinant. So this is the quick way you can write the Jacobian. Okay, चलो ठीक है. Let's see another property. Del u1 u2 del x1 x2 is equal to, you people can write it as del u2 del y1 comma y2. I don't have space, it will be multiplied with del y1 y2 del x1 comma x2. Same as differentiation concept, this and this will get cut. You can, actually it doesn't happen, but you can remember in this way. Whatever, chalo. Another property is that del u1 u2 un is equal to x1 x2 dot 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 xn is equal to minus 1 to the power n f1 f2. These are not that important, but remember this because jam question is unpredictable, depends on the examiner. f1 f2 dot 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 fn divided by f u1 u2 dot 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 un. Okay, let me tell, you are maybe unable to understand. It is f1 f2 fn, these are x1 x2 up to xn, again f1 f2 fn and divided by u1 u2 up to un. Okay, chalo, you can write dx dy as del x comma y del like this. Okay, chalo, this is required in a problem, that's why I have told. Okay, so if the Jacobian of uv is equal to 0, then u and v are dependent. Okay, is it clear? If the Jacobian of u and v, by writing that determinant, you find that u and v are, that is Jacobian is 0, then we say that u and v are dependent on each other. If Jacobian is not equal to 0, U and V are independent of each other. So this is the condition for vanishing of Jacobian. Okay, that the Jacobian of U and V is 0. So okay, hope the concept of Jacobian is clear to you. What is it and some of the properties I have told you. So go through these properties in the next, sorry, yeah, in the next video I am going to discuss more on Jacobian. Mainly I will solve 2 to 3 problems from previous year IIT jam paper. That is more than enough for Jacobian. You will score 2 on 2 for in this portion. Okay, okay, bye. Thanks for watching the video.